Number 3. FOCUWAY D2 Duo Dash Cam. This amazing dash cam is like a lifesaver designed to enhance your driving safety. Especially equipped with front and rear cameras, it allows you to comprehensively record what's happening around you both while driving and when parked. While the front camera provides clear and sharp images in full HD resolution, the rear camera records everything behind your vehicle with the same quality, ensuring safety in both directions. The automatic parking mode of this device really impressed me. Even when your car is parked, it continues to monitor what's happening around, and with its motion detection feature, it can detect potential hazards in advance. Additionally, its night vision feature allows you to capture clear and bright images even in low light conditions. It's really easy to use, folks. The interface is quite simple, and with its wide-angle lenses, it captures all the details and traffic conditions accurately. Moreover, its sturdy design promises long-lasting usage. In conclusion, the FOCUWAY D2 Duo Dash Cam is truly a perfect solution for your driving safety and peace of mind. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. This little device is designed to maximize drivers' safety and comfort. First off, let me talk about the incredibly sleek and compact design of the Dashcam Mini 2. It can be mounted almost invisibly on your car's windshield, without distracting you. But don't let its small size fool you. Its performance is truly impressive. It records sharp and clear images in 1080p Full HD resolution, capturing every detail of your drive. We also need to mention the features of Dashcam Mini 2 that enhance in-car safety. Its automatic incident detection feature starts recording automatically in collision or sudden braking situations, ensuring those crucial moments are captured. Additionally, the parking mode feature records what's happening around your parked car, alerting you to potential dangers. And of course, with the Wi-Fi feature of Dashcam Mini 2, you can easily watch, edit, and share videos from your smartphone. In conclusion, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a must-have accessory for drivers prioritizing safety, making your driving experience safer and more comfortable. It's one of my favorite car accessories, and I highly recommend it. Number 1. Vantrue N4 3 Channel 4K Dash Cam. This device is designed to take your driving safety to the next level. Let's start with the smart parking mode. As you park, the N4 detects every movement around and anticipates potential dangers, taking your vehicle's safety one step further. Additionally, with the Wi-Fi feature, you can easily sync your N4 with your mobile devices and quickly share videos. It's a perfect way to share great memories from your travels with your friends and family. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 is not just a dashcam, it's also a driving experience companion. It combines safety, convenience, and quality, making it an indispensable tool for modern drivers. And of course, with its 4K resolution, the Vantrue N4 captures every detail with crystal clarity, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or incidents. Moreover, its night vision mode ensures clear and safe driving even at night. These features make the Vantrue N4 an indispensable assistant for modern drivers. Safe travels.